One for the Sunday. Yeah. They only had one pack. I hit on two. I don't know. Because I hit on two, but right here it says it's one pack. But I know I hit on two. So I don't know if they were out of stock or something. Yeah. The World Boss is back. Grammy. Grammy. Now who's the king of dancehall? World Boss. World Boss. Who's the king of dancehall? World Boss. World Boss come like the next Bob Marley, you know? Alright guys, this done enough. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on it. I need that ketchup. So I tried this new recipe where I use Italian dressing. I use Italian dressing to lock in the moisture in the pork chops. So even when I fry it, even if I fry it dry, it is still soft and tender. And so it's a new thing I tried tonight. And guys, I'm telling you, the flavors are locked in. I bet you tomorrow my husband will go and buy some more and make it again. They're literally locked in. Smell good. Look good, man. Yes. Chef Martin, you know? Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah. The real Gaza. The real Gaza, you know? You know you're from Friday, man. Touchdown in at the airport. Touchdown from Friday. Can you believe I just bought a case of strawberry, right? I like literally, I'm cooking now, so you know I ordered it because I didn't feel like going on the road today. And so you just got in the fridge a while ago. The strawberry something empty. And when I say empty, I really mean empty. Empty, empty, empty. As my husband and I said, I don't know why when you buy nothing, you buy one like you don't know, start picking and leaving. I know. Now I know why he used that phrase. But because $185 I spend, and I don't know when I spend it on, I was just watching my money. You know. But I now see that but listen when him talk. Because the man know what him talk about. I don't even think those strawberries are washed. Like, that's the sad part about it. I don't know if they're washed or they're not washed or what. But hey, when me that grow, never wash nothing, brother. You hit the fruit them off of the tree and them see me, so and I think them are go dead. So me now come back for and come go and like say, local germs are gonna kill me, you know? Cause sometimes we all rub the clothes in the fruit in our clothes like you picking it up and rub it in your clothes like is it gonna make it clean? I don't think so, but and big people at Jamaica still do them same sitting there till today. You're not gonna pick a mango and the mango drop on the ground.